Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the budget for the year 2022 and 2023. She highlighted the 4 priority areas in budget to steer economy for 25 years, that is PM Gati Shakti, inclusive development, climate action and energy transition. So in this video, let's take a look at the key highlights of the budget. Number 1. Issuance of E-passports to be rolled out this year. While India to roll out its own digital currency by 2023, India to launch sovereign green bonds, while 5G spectrum auctions to be conducted this year. Capital expenditure is being stepped up to rupees 7.5 lakh crore, while expansion in credit availability to MSMEs sector by 50,000 crores. The outlay for public expenditure has been stepped up by sharply 35.4% from 5.54 lakh crore to 7.50 lakh crore. While Finance Minister has reduced alternative minimum tax on cooperative societies tax rate to 15% from 18.5%, while gift of cryptocurrencies to be taxed at the receiver's end, while new provision to allow taxpayers to file an updated return. Also, updated returns can now be filed within 2 years from the end of the relevant assessment year. In fact, taxpayers can now file an updated return within 2 years from the relevant assessment year. Also, 30% tax on proceeds of virtual digital assets with no deductions other than cost of acquisitions has been announced, while 1% TDS to be levied on payments made on transfer of digital assets, while tax deduction limit for state government employees to NPS has been raised to 14% from 10%. Also, budget makes no change in personal income tax slabs. While on the auto front, for electric vehicle, a booster policy on battery swapping has been announced. Also, increase of EV battery production and development would be given to the private sector. In the Union Budget, Finance Minister has also included 5 infra push projects. Highway expansion by 25,000 kilometers, 60,000 crore on Nal Se Jal scheme, 5 river link projects across various states, 48,000 crores on PM housing scheme and northeast infrastructure development. Also, 60 lakh new jobs under Make in India has been announced. A focus on natural farming, that is zero budget farming, would be taken care of, while a 2.7 lakh crore allocation to farmers under MSP has been announced. Also, in the next 3 years, 400 new Vande Bharat trains will be added, and a setup of digital universities are likely to be done, while 75,000 new digital banking units would be built. Also, fresh allocation on solar module of 19,500 crore would be done. So these were the budget highlights for the year 2022-2023. What are your views on the budget? Do mention in the comments section, and for more such relevant information, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.